آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا صلى الله عليه وآله وصحبه وسلم وبعد. Today our topic will be about from Haft Aqsam, the fourth one, the Lafif. Okay, so as you all know, Alhamdulillah, we studied that Sahih, Misal, Mudaf. Okay, so the type of Mudaf and the type of Misal as well we learned, Alhamdulillah. So now we will learn about Lafif. So what is Lafif? Okay, so basically when as in my teaching method, you all know, Alhamdulillah, it's your love with us that first of all we define the dictionary definition of something, so it will be more easy for us. Okay, so likewise we will define the Lafif also in dictionary word. Okay, so first of all I will write here the Arabic one, Lafif. Okay, in English Lafif. Okay, Lafif. So in dictionary definition it will be like we can say in Urdu लुग़वी माना लपेटना, लपेटना. Okay, लपेटना. In English we can say to it rape, raping a thing, raping a thing. Okay, for example, raping a thing, like when we buy something or when we want to save from dust, from sun, from heat, cold, etc. For the safeness of a thing, we use plastic, we use paper, we use cloth, etc. So these all things when we wrap our thing, so we can call it lafif. Okay, so in Arabic we can say that we have a luf on a thing, wrapping on a thing. Okay, so therefore it's called lafif. So why in Arabic or in Sarf it is used as lafif, or what word are called this this word lafif? So we will define here inshallah in detail. Okay, so stay with us inshallah. We'll explain everything inshallah. Here I will write the English definition. ओके, इन उर्दू वी कैन से कि दो हरूफ असलिया जो है उनमें से कोई हर्फ इल्लत आए हो उसको हम लफीफ कहते हैं. ओके, सो इन इंग्लिश इन विच
استحييت تعصيني وتخفي الذنب عن خلقي وبالعصيان تأتيني فكيف أجيب يا ويحي ومن ذا سوف يحميني أسلي النفس بالآمال من حين إلى حين وأنسى ما وراء الموت ماذا بعد تكفيني كأني قد ضمنت العيش ليس الموت يأتيني وجاءت سكرة الموت الشديدة من سيحميني نظرت إلى الوجوه أليس منهم من سيفديني سأسأل من.
Okay, here like you can see the definition of lafif, like in which word there comes two huruf illat on the real words. Okay, the real words mean the main letters. Okay, on the real letter will be put on the real letters, on the real letters. Okay, so it will be good. For example, washun and hayyun, ya huyun, ya muyyun. Okay, so this is the simple definition. Now we will teach that how can we understand this definition in our easy words. So first of all, if we look at it, the lafif, okay, so the lafif mean it's taken from luf, okay. Luf wa nashr you may study it in Nahw, okay. Luf wa nashr muratab ki tartib, okay. So here lafif is from luf, wrapping a thing. So as well in Arabic letter we have also these types of word which are luf or which are wrapped by huruf illats, okay. So for example here this is one ya and this is one wow, okay. So these this kalima is luf by what? This kalima is a luf or this kalima is wrapped by huruf illat, so therefore we can call it the lafif, okay. So see again to this definition, in which word there comes okay, there comes two huruf illat on the real words, on the real letters, okay. On the real letters mean the real letters mean which comes amongst fa, ain or lam, okay. It's no problem, fa, ain, one lam, fa, ain, two lam, fa, ain, three lam, it's no matter. We will categorize them to sulasi, rubai or humasi, okay. So here the real letters on the real letters or on the main letters or amongst hurufi asliya, okay. Hurufi asliya are these, okay, waw, sheen and yeah, these all are hurufi asliya. So now if you understand this definition, so we were wrapping or we will wrap some Arabic words in hurufi asliya letter, okay, or in a hurufi asliya. So they will also the hurufi asliya and they will also the hurufi illat. So okay, if you do not understand anything you can comment us easily, inshallah we will reply, okay. So now it has two types of this what we can say. One is washun and the second is huyun, okay. So here this washun, first of all we will talk about washun, okay. So washun is a lafif mafruq, and this one is lafif mafruq, lafif maqrun, okay. It will be Lafif Maqrun. Okay, it will be the Lafif Maqrun. One is Lafif Mafruq, one is Lafif Maqrun. Okay, Mafruq and Maqrun, if you want to know about these things, if you understand these things, so inshallah it will be more easy for you. The Maqrun mean the nearest one, okay. And Mafruq mean the farthest one. Okay, the Maqrun mean the nearest one and the Mafruq mean the farthest one. So we have two types of Lafif. One is Lafif Mafruq and one is Lafif Maqrun. Okay, so no issue. Whatever you are saying about which one comes first, so it's not necessary. So the basic thing is to understand these two types. One is Maqrun and the second is Mafruq. Okay, so the Maqrun means the nearest one and the Mafruq means the farthest one. Okay, so the huruf, if there comes a harf, a letter between two huruf illat, so it will be the lafif mafruq. If there come not any letter between these two huruf illat, so it will be the maqrun, okay. So the maqrun and the mafruq, this is the example of washun is the example of mafruq, and this hayyun, uyun, muyun, whatever you can say to this, Okay, so it will be the Lafif Maqrun. Okay, why? Because this hayyun was in the past, it was hayyun. Okay, before hayyun it was hayyun. Okay, we can apply here the قانون of ضربنا, the second قانون of ضربنا, حيايون. حيايون say حيون. Okay, حيايون say حيون. Okay, so then we made this. Okay, so we made this حيون. Okay, with mushaddad. So inshallah, I think it's all clear for you. We have cleared the Lafif. So what is Lafif and how many types of Lafif are there? Inshallah, we will see in next video. So may Allah keep you happy. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum.